People love DIY or do-it-yourself kits. A Raspberry Pi-based DIY kit can make you money. In today's video, I am going to discuss how you can earn money using these DIY kits. Welcome to my channel. Please do hit the subscribe button. It will be a personal encouragement for me. Following are my top 5 favorite kits. Pi-hole ad blocker kit, internet radio kit, smart weather station kit, retro gaming console kit, digital scoreboard kit. All the above can be made easily and typically cost less than $100. You can keep a 25 to 30% margin and sell them online. Stay till the end of the video and I will share how to package them and brand them. Now let's find out the kits. Kit number 1, Pi-hole ad blocker. What it does, blocks ads tracking on every device in the network. This can be installed in your home for ad-free browsing. Build summary, Raspberry Pi 02W, Ethernet adapter or Wi-Fi, Pi-hole, pre-installed, setup manual.
Kit number 2, Internet Radio Music Streamer.
What it does, streams radio, Spotify, or podcasts with retro flair. This is a cool gadget to listen to your favorite music and could be a fun high school project too. Build summary, Pi 0 Pi 4 plus Volumio DAC hat or USB sound card. Optional mini display and speaker. Kit number 3, Smart Weather Station. What it does, displays temperature, humidity, and pressure with web dashboard. This could also be a cool high school project, plus an essential unit for weather monitoring at certain places. Build summary, Pi 0 or 3, BME 280 sensor, OLED screen. Python dashboard, Flask or Node-RED. This is my favorite. Kit number 4, Retro Gaming Console. What it does, emulates NES, SNES, Sega, PS1 games. This is a good alternative to expensive gaming setups, and this can be enjoyed by all age groups. Build summary, Pi 4 with RetroPie or Batocera, 2 USB controllers, HDMI SD card printed guide. Kit number 5, digital scoreboard and timer. What it does, scoreboard for games, quizzes, or gym use. This can be used in home labs, studios, and will surely be a fun project to experiment. Build summary, Pi 0 or Pi 3. 7-segment LED display / LCD. Push buttons plus buzzer. Python logic or web UI. You can first try with your favorite kit and then expand the portfolio. I will bring detailed videos on how to prepare the kits with necessary configurations. You have to design a brand and a logo to be used with the packaging. You can also select a catchy brand name with some consistency. For example, all the kits can go with the suffix Pi, such as Smart Weather Pi, Music Pi, etc. Select a suitable packaging material, such as a craft box. For the first few, you can do it yourself. In my next video, I will bring a video about the sales strategy and how to attract customers. Do you know any better projects that can be sold? If so, please mark them in the comment. Thank you for watching and see you soon with the next video on this series.